Hello, my great people of Official. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my returning subscriber. You guys are the best of the best. Thank you so much. And if you have never subscribed to this amazing channel, what are you waiting for? Please come and join the family as well. Where my people now see this picture when I just dey see, so this man, this old man, I don't know wetin I go even call the man, whether na grandpapa or bis nonna or bis grandfather, I don't even know. Wetin this man do, e go surprise una. E go surprise una because no, because we fit dey hear about the many story about some men, all those old men wey dey Naija, especially the one wey dey village. Where this man, when I just dey see so for the screenshot, when I just dey see so for the screen, the man name na James Olajoyta. More na no vex for the pronounce for the surname if I no pronounce am well, my Yoruba fans. I no be Yoruba, but all the same sha, make una pardon me. Where my people, make we go straight as I talk before. This man name na James. The man is 67 years old. If una see wetin this man do, if I talk am my people, because when I see the news, the report, I say, oh my God, not again, not again. Young people, they go do am, even grandpapa, they wan still do am. I just say I don't know wetin dey go on. Where my people, this man, so him name na James. The other young girl wey just dey, the girl na just small pikin wey never even reach to even fetch water for well. My God, if I'm the young lady, me I just say the young lady, no be say small pikin sef, the small pikin na just 12 years old. Na this our no, it can never be my. Na this grandpapa just kelewa that small girl like that, my people. Just imagine. And we dey fight for all those kind of things, say make dem no dey do that kind thing to our young ladies, our young girls for that Naija. Na this young man, as he just see him face and everything, as he raise him face go up, na he just kelewa this 12 years old, my God. And that thing na okay, 12 years old, I don't even know. 12 years old na person wey he never even develop, or he never even do any, he never even know anything about life. Na this man just kelewa the small pikin. No. This grandpapa, so I don't know wetin I will call him. He supposed to even be great grand pikin of that young pikin. So now this man is just kelewa. Well, my people, I go read the something, make una see wetin happen, and how the man see explain im own part of the story. E say una know say many of them, especially they just see all those small pikin, though they say make dem come collect 10 naira, 20 naira. Una know say small children wey dey Nigeria, once you just give them money, many of them they'll just run go meet that person. Na this man just suffer, he lock the door. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. He just suffer, lock the door, he embrace the small pikin. Na the man cassava come get up. As he get up now, he kelewa the girl. No be say only once he even go. No be say na he reach 4 times. Wey this old papa wey kelewa that small 4 times. After he don kelewa this small pikin na, he come say na devil work. Una know wetin? Devil go suffer sit down jejeje. Many people they'll go there, go dey use their hand take dey draw the devil near body. After they don draw the devil near body, that they'll come say na devil work. No be devil work. Na wetin dey the man mind. And all those people wey after they don do one thing or the other, they'll say na devil work. No, devil no. Na wetin dey your mind, na you take dey do something. no be say devil dey im own jejeje. Many people now go dey use 12 na hand take dey fight the devil. After the something happen, una say na devil work. Well, for this man, I pray, I know say for that Naija, this kind thing, thank God say they don already dey develop, because no be all those 20 years ago when you go report this kind of case to Ogbarigbedo, say wetin you go do for the man house. Thank God say that mentality wey they get 20 years ago, many of them they no even get the mentality again. Well, me I read the something for una. Since then I did not know what came over me. They claim I kelewa the girl 4 times. But it was only once. My wife died in 2005. I have 6 children. The first is 35 and the last is 17 years. I am still shocked that I could lay with a child that is much younger than my last child. When she came in, I gave her 100 naira and she hugged me, and at that point now the man say he lost, whether he lost weight in brain, I don't know wetin he lost for there. Hey my God. Well, thank God say Ogbarigbe don already go into this matter, and they even hear say the girl dey shout na neighbor, na people wey dey close to them. They come dey hear say the girl come dey shout. Now they come knock door and everything. Now the man up in your cassava. Now we say all those people wey I think say people wey don pass 60 years, abi 70 years, their cassava no dey raise. I don't know say some people still dey like that. Wey their cassava they see they get up. Even say they be 100 years. That you see they hungry there. Just imagine, because the man say he lost in wife. Not be him be the first person or the last person wey they lost in wife. That one no motivate the man because he lost his wife 2005. Because of that one, you go say any small pikin wey you just dey kelewa them. No, me I no abide to that one at all. Because now wetin, because this young girl, so she go greet her own grandparents for, e get one village like that near Lagos, where my people, me I dey come whether I fit try with the place Ojigbo abi Ijigbo Lagos. Na the small girl go greet her grandparents for there. This grandpapa, as he just see the girl, cause okay make the girl go help am buy something. After the girl don buy the something come, now he say make the girl come inside house come collect 100 naira. As the small pikin suffer, as the man embrace the small pikin, na the man cassava begin to dance jumbo for inside in trouser wey he wear. I pray that this our little sister, she will find justice, because not be the one wey dey first do to Uwa and many other people and all those. This one the wetin just wonder me. I said no. When I see the something, it was some about 2 or 3 days ago. I said no, not again. I said no. How can this old man like that just dey kelewa this small pikin? And this, thank God say the man even talk and say in your last born, he even senior this small pikin. Person wey dey 12 years now. For I remember, maybe now they don't do that kind of thing for Nigeria. I remember years 30 or 25 years ago, small pikin of 12 years, they say many of them know they wear pants. If you be saying now say develop everything don still change, not be like 20 years ago, 25 years ago. I still remember that when some people though they wear even some all those small, but they wear pants, both the small pikin. How can a man like this wey just grown up say he see that small pikin, the something just the something rise up, and the man come even say na 4 times he even do the something. Na him be say na wetin dey the man mind na him make am do am, because as far say e no dey im mind, as far say e go for the first trip, that devil suppose to clear for his eye, say wetin he dey do. He go for the first trip, he go the second trip, he go the third trip, the fourth trip. Hey my God, nothing wey person no go see for that Naija o, nothing wey person no go see for that Naija. I pray make this man, may he go for, make they arrest am, because if they use this, because I dey already dey talk am, because some people say no, maybe na old age. Person wey dey 67 years no be old age. This white country wey I dey, so 67 years old person still dey go work. E still dey go work. No be say because the man dey 67 years old, na be say e don old. E never old at all. E never old. Make they use this man, so that make they, for me, make the man face the judge. That is make they arrest the man. After, if they arrest the man, so that many other people wey get intention to do that kind thing, they, after they give am 10 years, I believe say if you come out for that place, join 10 years plus that age, next time if you see any small pikin in cassava, no go get up, no go talk of say he wan even go 1 trip or half trip, because he go 4 trip. Because many things dey that Naija. We need to remove sentiment for anything wey we dey do. We need, if that thing just, if the person just do the something, make that person just face the penalty or whatever. Make he face am. All those na devil work, I pity am, na make that country still be like that as e dey until today. Because once they don do the something, they say na devil work. Wetin I tell like this Western world, if you misbehave anyhow, you see anyhow, you no fit go tell Ogbalegbe or the day wey you dey court, you say na devil work. Even say you talk am for nothing tomorrow, the judge and Ogbalegbe, they will not even believe you. Because I know say many people like that for that Naija, they will say na true, na devil work, na so the man dey nice before, na so he not dey nice before, all those kind of things. Well, my people, as I see this matter now, I say I need to deliver this matter give you now. Wait till now see. I know say this thing wey this man do, he not do am well at all. He not do am well. He not do am well. At least I wish the girl don still reach 20 or 30 years or 50. Maybe the person don still reach 50 years. I know say na insurance, not be small pikin of 12 years, wetin 12 years old even know. The poor little girl, na maybe na neighbor in grandpapa house, and you know, as they close together, maybe you feel say na in grandpapa friend, may go collect the 100 naira. The poor girl no know say that 100 naira go lead to another thing. Just imagine. And if you be say this man cassava, na so he love, no be say any other thing, he just disgwangwa that small girl like that. Just imagine. I don't know why people are so heartless. Anything wey they do, if they don't do the something, they'll say na devil work. For me, me I not see any devil work for this case. Now wetin dey the man mind na him do, and for me, may we not say because the man don old, or may we leave am for God to judge. No, God is not coming down to judge anything. Now we wait dey, now we go judge am, and make the man face the law. Now that one I know, my people. Well, my people, let me leave you guys. And what do you think about this video? Don't fail to leave your comment in a comment section. Your comment is so needed in this video. Thank you so much. Thank you guys, and give this video a thumbs up. If anything, just write it on in the comment section. Thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for supporting me. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are the best of the best. Well, my people, I need to go, and thank you once again. And if you have never subscribe to this amazing channel. What are you waiting for? Just press that notification bell in case of any time I upload any video, you will be notified. Bye bye, ciao.